Hello everyone, welcome to analytical classes. Today's video is about NPV. So we have calculated NPV in our previous video with the regular cash flows. So let's assume if the business is not having a regular cash flows, it is having periodic cash flows. So in that case NPV will not work. So how to calculate the NPV in that case? So we have a function called xnpv which is used for calculating the NPV, net present value, for the irregular cash flows in a business. So let's assume a scenario in which we are having some dates and cash flows. The business has started on 1st January 2024 with an investment of 10,000. That's why it is denoted with a minus sign. Then after that, every half yearly the cash flows are coming. 1st June to 2500, 1st December 3000, then 1st June 4500, 1st December 5500, and the discount rate is 10%. So NPV function is used for calculating the cash flow that is not necessarily periodic, using specific dates for each cash flow. So here the dates denote that if the cash flows are denoted with some dates, then we can use xnpv. So let's check the NPV syntax. It says rate, comma values, comma dates. So rate is the discount rate, a decimal point or a percentage. Then the values, a series of cash flows, must contain at least one negative and one positive value. Means the business must have invested in some amount and should have at least one cash flow with a specific date, and then the date, the corresponding date of the cash flows. So here the rate is 10%, the values are the cash flows, comma, the dates are the date of the cash flows, and pressing enter will give us an NPV of 3664.35 and so on. So the function calculates the present value of all the cash flows based on exact date instead of assuming equal periods, which is regular NPV function does. This makes xNPV more accurate for real world financial modeling like project evaluations or investment analysis. Hope you find this video helpful, and if so, do subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching this video. Meet you in next video.